and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm cooking shrimp in my Sizzler pan. So I'm going to put this in now and get it to warm up. I'll leave that for a few minutes now, come back when it's all nice and warmed up. I'm going to just turn the oven down before I go and place my prawns on there, only because I know that I'm not going to be cooking on full anyway and I don't want to waste my gas as I just do this. And just a bit of sauce, a bit of sweet chilli sauce, which I love on my prawns. They're already cooked, I just want to give them a bit of a warm up. So let's go take these out for the cook. Here they are, got my prawns. I think it might be easy just to use the handle today, just for pushing it in anyway. These prawns are already cooked, but I just wanted to warm them up with the sweet chilli sauce on. Have this with a bit of salad then for my lunch. I don't expect them to be in here that long. I'll give them a little turn now. Give them a nice little flamed crispy top to them. Smell that sweet chilli sauce cooking in there. It smells great. Right, I think I'm going to take them out. Done. The smell of these, it's so good. To show you, they've cooked. Oh. The other side. These little prawns have cooked really well. serve them up and have them for my lunch. But they cooked beautifully in there. It didn't take long, just a few minutes. Warm them up, get the lovely chilli sauce to just melt into my prawns, and then they're nice and warm for my salad, so I'm going to put them onto my salad now. Little squirt of low-fat mayonnaise over my lettuce. A few chopped chives. My lunch. Done. Eat this now before it gets cold, so let me just try one whilst you're here. I'll try one of the ones still on the dish. Oops, just peeled it. Oh my gosh, very nice. Keep safe everyone, take care, bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.